Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a search campaign in under 5 minutes. The first step that you're going to want to complete is clicking on the begin or start icon in the top right hand corner of your screen and creating your Google Ads account. When you've done so, you'll be brought to a page that looks a lot more blank than this, as yours is a brand new account. By clicking on the plus icon and then pressing new campaign, you're going to be brought to a page in which you can click on website traffic and then scroll down. You don't have to worry about this area here because your conversion tracking will not be set up yet. When you scroll down, you can then choose the campaign type by pressing search and then entering your business's website. You'll then be asked to create a campaign name. We can continue. And then we're going to have to choose the bidding strategy that we want to use. In our case, that would be clicks. And you make sure not to check this box right here. Do not press that box right there. You can then press next, turn Google Display Network off, choose the country that you want to direct your ads towards. In our case, that would be Ireland. Choose the language. You can press no on this option here and don't worry about any other options. Whilst pressing next, you can then choose how much level of assistance you want Google to give you. You can press next on this and then skip on the next part to make sure you have a lot of control over the campaign creation. What you're going to want to do here is enter all of the keywords that are relevant to your business, whether that be plumbing service, whether that be car repair service, whatever that may be. In our case, it would be keywords like performance marketing, Google Ads agency, Google Ads marketing agency, as that is the line of business that we're in. And when people search for these things on Google, we want to show in their sponsored ads on top of that page. When you finish entering your keywords, you want to build your ad. Here's a preview of what that ad will look like for potential clients. And when you scroll down, you have the options as to what you want your headlines to say. Your headlines can be call to actions, anything that makes your business unique, whether it be free shipping, whether it be 50% off, anything like that. Go into headlines to ensure that people that see your ad understand exactly what you can give them. In our case, that would be Google Ads and Performance, Google Ads Agency, Digital Growth Begins Here, things like this. You also have the option to put 3 or 4 descriptions in. You can choose how many you put in, make sure that they are related to your business, and scroll down, enter your business name if necessary. You can enter your business logo, and everything else can be left until a later point. By then pressing on next, you get to the point in which you can choose your budget. Google will always recommend a budget for you to have on a daily basis. You don't need to listen to this, and I would recommend your first campaign to be set up on €10 a day. By pressing next, you'll then start a review process in which Google will complete. It will check for errors, it will check for anything that you might have done on a mistake basis, and then let you know before you can actually publish your campaign. If everything comes back green and there's no red, then you know that everything is set up to the point that you are okay to complete, and you can press on Publish Campaign. And there you have it. Now you know how to create a search campaign in under 5 minutes. Any questions you have, make sure you leave them in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed so you get notifications of the next video. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.